Most people toss these plastic bottles into the recycling bin. And check out this ice cold Coke. Ah, perfect. Make sure there's no soda residue left. Let them air dry completely. Now they're ready to become planters. This opening will hold the soil and onion bulbs. Add small drainage holes at the bottom. This prevents root rot.
Repeat the process for all your bottles.
Now let's build a simple wooden stand. And just like that, your stand is ready. Place the bulb roots down into the soil inside each bottle. And just like that, every bottle is planted. Now we give them sunlight and a little patience. Sunlight helps them grow faster. From empty bottles to fresh greens. Look at that vibrant color. A little airflow keeps them healthy.
Drainage keeps the roots from rotting.
You can add a mild organic feed once a week. By day 10, they're nearly harvest ready. And they're ready when you need them. Let's harvest. Harvest only what you need. Hey everyone, check these out. Fresh green onions from the garden. Just pulled them up this morning. That's fresh from the backyard. Look at these green onions, they're thriving. I'll harvest a few more from the bottom shelf. It's working great. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who loves gardening.